It is a design flaw. Mali yung design. Ang history kasi nito, dapat ang funding nito was supposed to be, ang project cost nito is 1.8 billion. So binawasan to under 1 billion para makamura. Ayan, inayos ngayon, ginawa ngayon yung detailed design. Design is really weak. Dahil kung tutuusin ninyo, this is supposed to be a suspension bridge, nakasabit. Nakaganyan yung arko na ganyan, tapos yung bridge suportado ng kable. Ito lang ang suspension bridge na nakita ko sa buong mundo na hindi kable. At yan na mismo ang bumigay. Ayan, diyan bumigay yung bakal. Kung kable yan, hindi dapat bumigay yan. Tapos yung pag-anchor nung support,